In this video, you'll learn how to build a gaming PC using used parts sourced from eBay. By following these steps, you will successfully assemble a system that meets your gaming needs while being budget friendly. Start by planning the main components required for your gaming PC. This includes the processor, motherboard, graphics card, memory, and storage. When purchasing used parts on eBay, it is essential to check the compatibility between all components. Research the specifications of each part to ensure they will work together effectively. Selecting reliable brands can significantly enhance long-term performance, as compatibility issues could lead to hardware problems. Proper planning is the foundation of a successful PC build. Next, search for each component individually on eBay. Review multiple listings for the best options. Choose sellers who have strong feedback ratings and provide detailed product descriptions. It is important to look for clear photos that showcase the condition of each component. Comparing prices across different listings will help ensure you are getting a reasonable deal. Reading buyer reviews can provide additional insight into the seller's reliability, as purchasing from trusted sellers reduces the risk of receiving defective hardware. Once all your parts arrive, it is time to begin assembling your computer. Start by installing the components onto the motherboard. Carefully connect the processor, memory, storage, and graphics card while following the hardware guidelines provided with each component. Ensure that you handle each part with care to avoid any damage. After the assembly is complete, power on the system and proceed to install the operating system of your choice. After installing the operating system, run basic tests to confirm that all components are functioning properly. Monitoring temperatures and overall performance during this phase is crucial to ensure system stability. Pay attention to any unusual sounds or excessive heat, as these could indicate issues with your build. Once the system runs smoothly without any problems, your gaming PC is ready for use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.